the upper one is looking like. That's how the lower one is looking like after placement. So now I've put the motherboard back into the phone and I'm going to test it out. Start recording. You see the volume bars move up every time I speak. I thought I would show you how to change a surface mount microphone, this or that. Now I am changing this because this guy, whenever he is speaking on phone, he cannot be heard unless he puts his own phone into loudspeaker. That means both microphones are turned on to pick sound from his voice. However, if it's not in loud mode, it's only the main microphone that is actively picking his voice, while that one does noise cancellation. So right now I am going to remove this and then transfer this to there, and then get this and place it there just. So first is how we remove the old one. So I have my hot air gun right there, and I am going to pick up my board by the microphone, and I am going to apply heat on the underside. I have set at 350. So right now, due to the high temperatures, this thing should be able to fall under its weight. Immediately the solder underneath the microphone weakens. So let me do just that. Okay, let me point it more directly under. I don't know whether I am still in focus. Am I still there? And now, on the looks of things, I think I'm going to have to raise this temperature because this is clearly not sufficient. So I'm going to 350 right there. So as you see, we have successfully removed this one, and it is right there. It came from there. So next we're going to remove that one. Now just similarly, I'm going to pick it, then hit this up from the underside. So let me get that off, but I think I'm going to just direct this heat from under. Right there. Okay, now that is stressing me, so I'm just going to direct it at it. Okay, that takes it off. This is the one we are going to place here. So right now I'm going to just apply some under there, some flux, and then bring this in place and apply heat. Do it settles. I believe it has. Okay, now I'm going to put this there just in case we might need it. Okay, I'm going to also apply some flux there, right there, and then Okay, so just like that, we are done with replacing the surface mount microphone. These are sort of the older versions. So now, having done that, I think it's time to let it cool. Then we close up our phone for testing. Okay. Oh, I am actually done. So that's how the upper one is looking like. That's how the lower one is looking like after placement. So thanks for watching. Subscribe. Now I've put the motherboard back into the phone and I'm going to test it out. I'm going to use the voice recorder to test that. So I am going to go back and start recording. You see, the volume bars move up every time I speak, so that shows that the microphone is actually picking up sound. So if you notice, I am going to hit the upper side where the noise cancellation happens. There, that tiny hole that you see there, that's the microphone for the noise cancellation. And then on the underside we will have the hole for the microphone that is for the main calls. So that means if I tap near here, I should be able to see the intensity of the height of this thing compared to when I hit down this side. Now I'm going to keep quiet and simply tap in front near the board, because when you're recording, the recorder actually uses both the upper mic and the lower mic, and therefore if I speak louder towards the upper mic, it would be as though the left side is louder than the right side in case I'm listening to headsets. So right now I'm going to use that effect by hitting this side so that the sound is nearest to this side. Therefore that means less is being picked from the lower side, and then use that to compare the height to which this actually goes. So okay, let's get to it, and let me get rid of one of the lights, put it a bit distant in. So now I'm going to tap. So you notice the bars are louder, highest when I tap this side. So that shows that the mic that I had up this side that I transferred down was perfect, and therefore is working perfectly when I hit down here. But when I hit up these ends, you will notice that it will not be as high